Welcome back, everybody. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I showed you guys the other video that I had a really good purchase, which was buying these amazing thyme, and it's now the next day. I'm going to try to get them in. They're young. Look at the rooting system in these bad boys. It's just ready for the going into the ground, and I'm out. You would not believe this is not even nighttime, or it's deep in the afternoon. It's about 3 something over here, and it's been like this all day. It's cloudy, it's damp, and the chill is right here right now. So I'm gonna get them in the ground because I want a lot more herbs, especially because I love thyme. You can dry them, you can pit them right throughout the time. But I like to give mine about 6-7 months when the growing season starts, later in the season, to cut most of it and take it home and dry it. But I want more, and they add so much benefit to the garden as well. It's a beautiful herb, and it's amazing. And they can handle the cold. That's what I'm putting them in right now, because they are really strong to grow in the cold. Unlike your cilantro that you gotta plant every single year, and even celery. Maybe celeriac is a better option if you want something to grow throughout the year. Celeriac is beautiful, but right now I'm gonna get these in the ground, and I'm gonna have them along the ways of all the beds that I have. I'm gonna have them in every different location, so I can have herbs all over the place. Plus, it can protect my garden from all the other pesky stuff that don't like the smell of these herbs. So yeah, this is a deterrent as well as health I'm growing right now. What I'm gonna do first is just to dig small. This is where I had another plant that I've just been weeding up and taking it out. I don't want to go too deep down. Actually, maybe I need to, because I'm gonna add some beautiful, amazing compost which was made on the allotment here by me, and it's great fertilizer for my soil, because it's just continuing the cycle of everything. Wait a minute, something is down here that I need to remove first. A bit of roots. Look at that beautiful worm. Look how beautiful it is. It's gotta go back in. So let's measure it up. I want to measure where the pot is and see. Okay, that's pretty cool. And let me grab some of my own compost that I prepared here at the allotment. And look at that. This is my own compost, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it's rich, super rich, with loads of life in there, and it's gonna add value to this one here. Just 1 scoop I'm gonna give him. Mix it up a little bit, not too rough on them, and then make a little hole using the pot itself just to get him in there. And just squeeze the bottom right here, and just gently, maybe a few roots will be a bit damaged, but I don't want to add too much damage to it. And that is it. Literally, I want to pull a little bit of the roots out, kind of like get it going. Just not trying to do too much damage, just kind of loosen up the roots a little bit, and just get it in there, and then bring back the soil around him, because I'm trying to change a little bit along the way how my garden is, add herbs in there, because I want this to be something I can have every single time that I'm down here at the allotment. And trust me, thyme is beautiful. It's aroma. The aroma that comes off the thyme when you brush your hand against it is amazing. And anybody that said they don't like thyme, it's okay. You can't like everything, and everybody can't like what you like. And for what I'm going to add as well as a mulch, I have some dry straw. Is it straw? Not straw, hay. I've got some dry hay, just like that, and that will help with the moisture, keeping the moisture and keeping it warm as well, and just kind of give it a little bit extra protection and let it focus on all of that. I'm going to give it watering in to make sure the hay stays where it is, and that is it. I'm going to go around now and do the other beds and then show you how they are where they are. So I've planted them all in. There's about 10. There is 10, so I've put every single one of them in a garden bed, and now it's time to give them a quick water. Come on, let's water them together. My garden is going to look amazing next year, hopefully. Let's keep our fingers, toes and everything crossed. But this year was a bit of a struggle, but I got through it. So let's count them along with me. Wherever you see the hay, that is the thyme. Just a little bit. I don't want to give it too much because it is of a wet season right now. It's quite cold. That's number 2. Let's take you along here. Sugar. I actually forgot to put some hay around one of them. So that's number 3. Number 4 is here, but I need to get some hay around it in a minute. Let's go past all of this greenery. Number 5, number 6, number 7. I'm like a little teenager right now, or a little nursery child. 1, 2, 3. No, This is gardening for me. I love it. Why not have some fun? And this is my best place to be. 8, 9, and number 10. Look at that, number 10. Okay, that is it for me, Mr. Green Hands. I'm out here still dropping some seeds. I've been dropping some lamb lettuce, but I didn't show you guys that because I wanted to show you the time and get it planted before the cloud comes on us and it's going to be dark soon. So that is it for your boy, Mr. Green Hands. See you guys next time. Don't forget, keep planting wherever you are. Check what can grow in your, right now, even if you're in a cold temperature. The lamb lettuce, I'm behind schedule. I should have planted them last month, but it is what it is. I'm going to try again. Try it anyway. Doesn't matter. Take care of the planet, because we have to. It's our home.